and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Instead of French toast today, what we're going to do is pizza. Our family favorite French toast, which is chocolate peanut butter cup. Hi there, and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. And today is actually a very special episode. It is a proud dad moment. I have on the show today my daughter, Brooklyn Haley. She's an actress, she's a model, and she's just, my daughter. So welcome to the show, Brooklyn.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, sweetheart.
How are you?
I'm good, and thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me.
And as an actress, I do have a couple questions. What is your favorite part about being an actress?
Ooh, I really like creating and developing every character,
Okay.
Just the whole art of making them, their life, their backstory, what they're going through, becoming one with them. It's a challenge, and it's always different with every job, and I really like that.
So when you take all these different ingredients and you mix them together in your preparation, you have made a character.
Yeah.
It's kind of like
How you make your food on the show.
Right. We take a little bit of this and a little bit of that, we mix it together. All right. And today, what are we going to make today? Because you're very familiar with this dish.
Today we are going to make Haley dip.
Haley dip. And what is Haley dip for all the non-Haleys out there?
Basically, Haley dip is just chili cheese dip. That's pretty much what it is.
But it's our special chili cheese dip.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, it's very special. All right, so I'm going to start making this. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to go to it? Okay. So basically, what we have done over the years is we have taken your basic favorite canned chili, and we put that into a pot, right? Because you actually probably make this twice as much as I do. We put that into a pot. We put the heat on high, right? We start that. We get that to warm up a little bit, right? And while we're getting this to warm up, you're gone all the time. You're super, super busy. What have you been up to?
Lately, I've been working on a new beauty campaign for Voila Ve.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, they just released a new product. It's Voila Ve Rosé. It's really awesome. The packaging, the product, everything about it's really great. It's beautiful.
That's what you smell like.
It is.
Nice.
That's what I'm using today.
Nice. So there's a mixture of aroma between chili and rosé, which is really nice.
Yes, and you can find it on Amazon, actually. their
Oh,
products.
okay.
Yes.
And this show's on Amazon.
Yes.
So you can just click right over while you're watching the show, and you start to smell good too. All right, and we're gonna add in some of this some cream cheese. We'll put some softened cream cheese into the pot here. Heat that up, right? We're gonna stir that around, and I'm hoping that this looks good on camera, because it looks really good in person. But speaking of camera, you've done some photo shoots lately.
I have. I actually just did a shoot with Arthur St. John.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was, part of it was for the Voila Ve campaign.
Okay.
It was super amazing. It was great working with him. Yeah, it was a blast for sure.
Nice. And those are the shots that you did at that really fantastic location that you told me about.
Oh yes, beautiful location. It was so much fun. It was a great team too.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was a really great day.
And we have a great team here on the show.
Yes, the team here is amazing.
Yeah. So we're going to try and soften this as fast as we can because we know that you at home are dying to try it. So I want to know, what is your favorite memory of Haley Dip? How far back can you remember? Because I remember the first time we made it for you.
Yeah, you know, this is something that I just feel like has been a part of my life for a really long time. All
It
the way
has,
back
right?
to the family camping trips
Right.
we used to do, every family get together, every birthday party. It's a huge part of our tradition. It really is.
And you serve it real hot. Mm-hmm. And
Yes.
and it's always nice when it's cold out. Mm-hmm. And then
Yeah.
you've got the flavor, you've got the creaminess, and you've got the temperature. I just like to hold the bowl of it when it's 20 degrees
yeah.
outside when we're camping.
Absolutely.
And modeling has been a big thing for you lately. And that I can't even keep up with. But I do know
Well,
that.
I also have some acting stuff going on too.
Nice,
you know?
nice. And what's your most recent? What's going
Right
on?
now, I'm still in the process of shooting a movie. It's called Camp Twilight.
Okay, that's
It's
a feature.
film. Yes,
Okay.
it's a feature film. We started that in Florida. We're about to finish it in LA. I'm super excited. We have one scene
Nice.
left, and it's a really great movie. I can't wait for everyone to see this.
Nice,
For
nice.
sure.
And what else?
We also just finished post-production for The Crossing,
Right.
one
right.
of your own movies.
Right,
That
right.
was
You're
so
the lead
much
in
fun.
that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I am.
And actually, this is where we get to say that your scream was amazing.
Thank you.
So
you know,
we do have some scream queens coming on, and your scream got you in the running.
I definitely
Yeah.
am an aspiring scream queen. That is a goal of mine.
Yep,
And
yep.
I just love horror. Horror is definitely my favorite genre.
Your glass breaking, dolphin communicating scream is like no other.
Oh, thank you, Dad. Thank you.
So I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? We're
I think it looks about
we're
done.
we're getting to about the color that you like, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm thinking that we should put that in a bowl like we do, right?
Mm-hmm.
And serve that up. Oh,
It looks great. Looks like Haley dip.
Does, right? Mm-hmm. And then we would always put that with some chips. Do you want to try it?
Oh yeah, let's just go right in for it. Ooh, yeah, it's all gooey.
Nice. And you do it all good. I'm just gonna just. Oh man,
Fantastic.
I feel like we're camping. We should go look at the stars.
Really good. Really good.
Well, babe, I just want to tell you, I am so proud of you. Okay, you're turning into a wonderful, fantastic professional young woman.
Thank you.
You've been acting for 10 years. The growth has been amazing. And I'm just, don't make me cry, but I'm just super happy that you were here.
Thank you,
So,
Dad.
I love you.
Thank you. And I'm proud of everything you're doing here too. The
Ah.
show, everything, your movies, your writing, your directing, your acting, all of it. I'm super proud of you.
Well, thank you. All right, we are going to go now and just eat the rest of this Haley dip. And you be sure to tune in, check out all the rest of the episodes of Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley, and we're going to have a bunch of fantastic guests. Thank you so much.
Bye.